there. I want to give you some information about how our Physics 1100 class is formatted. First, I'd like to point out that you are enrolled in an 8-week summer session of Physics 1100. This is an extremely fast-paced class that goes twice as fast as a typical fall or spring semester class. It's going to be your responsibility to keep up with assignments, due dates, and studying. Summer classes have 3-day weekends. That means we will not have any due dates on Fridays. This class is a net class, which means that all of the content occurs asynchronously. This means that you are able to do almost all of the assignments and activities on your own time, on your own schedule. I want to clear up one popular misconception about asynchronous online classes. There will be due dates for all assignments. You will need to keep up with work throughout the semester. While I try to give you the maximum amount of flexibility in doing your work, you will need to stay motivated and engaged throughout the semester. Using reminder apps may be a good tool to help prompt you to spend time on your assignments throughout the week. Every homework, lab, and guided note assignment will be available for you to work on for about a week. Specifics about each of these assignments is available in each of the individual videos about each type of assignment. You can see due dates in Pivot for labs and on MyOpenMath for guided notes and homework assignments. You will not be sent specific deadline reminders. It is up to you to remember to turn in your work on time. Because this is a summer semester, you will have multiple sets of assignments available to work on at any given time. The biggest hurdle that students tell me about in this class is time management. Start your assignments early rather than waiting until the due date and trying to get everything completed at once. Keep in mind that in an in-person class, 12 hours of your week would be spent in a classroom, 6 hours listening to lecture, and 6 hours doing your labs. Outside of class, you would be expected to spend an additional 16 to 20 hours studying and working on assignments. An 8-week class is essentially a part-time job. In addition, because you don't have scheduled classroom time, it falls on you to manage your time effectively. At the start of the semester, you will have 2 24-hour extensions that you can use on labs. These extensions can be used for any reason. However, you must ask me to use one by the conclusion of my office hours before the due date of the lab. Otherwise, I will not get your request in time. Otherwise, late labs are not accepted, and missing labs will receive a score of 0. Emailed work will never be accepted. All lab work must be turned in using Pivot. Please refer to the class syllabus for more information about extensions. There will additionally be 6 24-hour late passes built into MyOpenMath, our online homework and guided notes system. You do not have to ask me to utilize them. Simply follow the instructions in MyOpenMath to apply them to a guided notes or homework assignment. Otherwise, late homework or guided note assignments will not be accepted, and missing assignments will receive a score of 0. Again, refer to the class syllabus for more information. You will be able to watch all of the lecture videos whenever you want. The lectures have all been pre-recorded. You can find them on my YouTube channel, which is linked from Blackboard. I recommend that you bookmark the link so you can find it even if Blackboard has an outage. You can always let me know if you have a question about anything in the lectures. While the lectures can be watched anytime you want, I suggest that you keep pace with the lectures referenced in each guided notes assignment. This will keep you from falling behind. Just because we don't have lectures in a classroom environment, virtual or not, doesn't mean I'm not available to help you out. Check out the video about how to contact me for more information. On that note, if you're starting to fall behind in class, not doing assignments and things like that, I will be reaching out to you over email. It will be your responsibility to read your emails and contact me if you need help. If you don't know how to check your student email, you will need to get that set up so you can stay informed. In extreme cases, I may have to contact a counselor or advisor at the college to get in touch with you to come up with solutions to whatever is standing between you and success. It is not meant to be punitive. If somebody reaches out to you, whether it be me, a counselor, or an advisor, please do your best to respond in a timely manner. If you are unable to complete this class for whatever reason and wish to withdraw, the drop deadline for our 8-week class is available on the COD Academic Calendar website. I suggest you refer to this website in case the date changes. I really love physics, and I want to foster a sense of excitement and competence about general physics topics to you too. Since the day you first threw a toy to the floor, you've been studying physics. Hopefully, you get a better appreciation for all of the things you may have taken for granted that impact your daily life. Ready to have fun? Me too.